Delhi's drainage disaster, sewage, industry, and rainwater, all in one pipe, all in one treatment plant. A deep dive into how unplanned mixing is crippling Delhi's infrastructure and choking the Yamuna River. Is Delhi's wastewater infrastructure a ticking time bomb? Discover the truth about STPs, CETPs, and the urgent steps needed to rescue the Yamuna River. Beneath the surface of Delhi's bustling streets flows a silent, toxic crisis, a crisis that threatens the lifeline of the city, the Yamuna River. This video uncovers the hidden failures of our wastewater systems and asks the question, can we still save the Yamuna? Delhi, a bustling metropolis, faces a silent crisis. Its wastewater management system is teetering on the brink. Rapid urbanization and industrial growth have placed immense pressure on the city's sewage treatment plants, STPs, and common effluent treatment plants, CETPs. The consequences are dire, threatening public health and ecological balance. The Yamuna River, a lifeline for millions, bears the brunt of this neglect. A staggering 80% of the river's pollution load originates from Delhi's untreated or poorly treated wastewater. This report delves into the heart of the problem, offering solutions for a sustainable future. STPs and CETPs are the cornerstones of wastewater treatment, yet their roles are distinct. STPs handle domestic sewage, the wastewater generated from households and commercial establishments. This sewage is rich in organic matter, nutrients, and pathogens. CETPs, on the other hand, treat industrial effluents, the wastewater discharged from factories and industrial units. These effluents often contain heavy metals, chemicals, and other toxic substances. Understanding this difference is crucial for effective treatment. Treating sewage and industrial waste together is like mixing oil and water. It simply doesn't work. Domestic sewage primarily contains biodegradable organic matter, while industrial effluents are laden with toxic pollutants. These pollutants can disrupt the biological processes in STPs, rendering them ineffective. Moreover, mixing these waste streams can contaminate sewage sludge with hazardous substances, complicating disposal and potentially harming the environment. Separate treatment ensures that each type of waste receives the specialized attention it requires. This approach is more efficient, cost-effective, and environmentally sound. Despite having a network of STPs and CETPs, Delhi's wastewater infrastructure faces significant challenges. Unplanned mixing of sewage and industrial effluents is a pervasive problem. Many areas lack proper sewer connections, leading to raw sewage flowing directly into drains. Rainwater ingress further exacerbates the issue, overwhelming treatment plants and causing overflows that pollute the Yamuna. Dysfunctional STPs and CETPs that fail to meet effluent standards only compound the problem. These challenges demand urgent and comprehensive solutions. The situation reflects a serious imbalance between wastewater generation and treatment in Delhi, with a large volume of untreated waste continuing to pollute drains and natural water bodies. Additionally, many existing treatment facilities struggle to meet required performance standards, emphasizing the urgent need for system upgrades and better operational management. Sludge, the solid residue from wastewater treatment, presents another significant challenge. STP sludge, if properly treated, can be used as a soil conditioner or fertilizer. However, CETP sludge contains high concentrations of heavy metals and toxic organics, classifying it as hazardous waste. When industrial effluents mix with sewage, the resulting sludge becomes contaminated, requiring costly and specialized disposal methods. Effective sludge management is crucial for protecting public health and the environment. In an attempt to address the underutilization of CETPs, some have proposed combining STP and CETP treatment. However, This approach is widely considered misguided and potentially counterproductive. It fails to address the root cause of the problem, the mixing of sewage and industrial effluents at the source. Combining treatment streams only complicates the process, making it more difficult and expensive to remove pollutants. A more sustainable solution lies in upgrading existing CETPs and enforcing strict segregation of waste streams. This shortcut might sound efficient, but in reality, it's a recipe for disaster. It ignores the root cause, untreated mixing at the source, and burdens already struggling treatment plants with impossible loads. Cities around the world have successfully tackled similar wastewater challenges. Real-time monitoring of sewer networks, industrial pretreatment programs, and strict segregation enforcement are key components of effective wastewater management. These strategies offer valuable lessons for Delhi. By implementing these best practices, Delhi can significantly improve its wastewater treatment and protect the Yamuna River. What works in Tokyo, London, and Singapore can work here too, if backed by vision, enforcement, and accountability. The time for action is now. To address Delhi's wastewater crisis, we must complete the sewerage and effluent infrastructure, connect every urban colony to an STP, and extend CETP services to all industrial areas. Enforce source segregation, prohibit the mixing of sewage and industrial waste through strict enforcement and penalties. Upgrade and optimize STPs and CETPs, retrofit old plants with modern technologies and address performance gaps. Enhance sludge management systems, invest in sludge processing facilities, and explore safe reuse options for STP biosolids. Implement real-time monitoring, install sensor networks to detect illegal discharges and monitor effluent quality. Strengthen institutional coordination. Form a dedicated task force to oversee wastewater management efforts. Engage the public. Raise awareness about the importance of proper sewer usage and industrial pretreatment. The Yamuna has given us life, water, and culture for centuries. It's time we give something back, before it's too late. Delhi's wastewater crisis demands a collective effort. By implementing these recommendations, we can restore the Yamuna River and create a healthier, more sustainable future for all. Take action now. Share this video, spread awareness about Delhi's wastewater crisis. Contact your elected officials. Urge them to prioritize wastewater infrastructure improvements. Support organizations working to clean the Yamuna. Donate your time or resources to make a difference. Reduce your water consumption. Conserve water to reduce the volume of wastewater generated. Properly dispose of waste. Avoid flushing harmful chemicals down the drain. Together, we can save the Yamuna and create a cleaner, healthier Delhi for generations to come.